lot of people who didn't finish on time. So guys, I know you need to do the list, but you also need to submit your answer as well. Okay, so let's have a look at Liam. So hello, Liam. Hello, Liam. Yes, so can you unmute yourself and show me your list?
I just guessed.
You guessed it. Okay. So how about we do this question together, Liam? It's good. So we have 10 questions, and every question, if you get it right, Liam, you get 10 marks. And 3 marks will be taken out if you get the wrong answer. Okay? If you leave it as a blank, it'll be considered as a wrong answer. Tony scored 74 marks in the test. So how many questions did he answer incorrectly? So let's start with 10 right questions and 0 wrong. So if you have 10 right questions, how many marks do you get, Liam? So can you keep unmuting yourself, Liam?
100.
Yeah, exactly. So 10 times 10 equals to 100. So that's not the score for Tony. We need to find 74. And Liam, we need to go down by 1. So 10 and then 9. If you have 9 right answers, how many wrong answers do you have?
1.
Good. So 9 times 10 equals to how much?
90.
Good, 90. And for every wrong question, you lose 3 marks. So 1 times 3 equals to how much?
30.
3. Right, so what is 90 take away 3?
87.
Good, so that's still not the mark that Tony got. So 8 right and 2 wrong. So what is 8 times 10? Because every question it's 10 marks.
80.
Good.
80.
And if you got 2 wrong, how many marks did you lose?
6.
Good, so what's the final score?
74.
Good. So Liam, that was it. That's the answer. So we stop. So how many questions did he get it wrong?
You got 2 questions wrong.
Yeah, 2 questions wrong. So that's how you do it, Liam. Does that make sense? It's a lot simpler than you thought, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, good, Liam. Thank you very much for your help. So guys, that was the list. It didn't take me that long as well, even though I was going through with this Liam. So guys, this is the correct list and the correct answer. And now, guys, there are several cars and tricycles. Tricycle is basically a bicycle with 3 wheels in the parking lot. So among them, guys, the number of tricycles, guys, is twice of that cars. So we have 2 times more tricycle than the cars, guys. And we notice they are, total of 40 wheels. So how many cars and tricycles do we have in the parking lot? Okay, guys, so to make sure we do this table properly, you need to understand the relationship between the tricycles and the cars. Guys, so we have 2 times more tricycles than the cars. So this is how I'm going to make my list. Have a look. Car times 2 equals tricycle. Does everybody agree with this? Is that a correct table? Car times 2 equals tricycle. So yes, it is. So you remember this multiple list? It's very, very, very easy to do. Why? Because we can always start with number 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And that means for car is 1 times 4 equals to 4. And tricycle means 2 times 3 equals to 6. So let's just cut this in half so we can see it properly. So 4 plus 6 equals to 10 wheels. So not enough. So we keep going. 2 cars means 4 tricycles. So how many wheels do we have for the cars in total? 8. And for tricycle, we have 4 times 3, which equals to 12. 8 plus 12 equals to 20. Not enough. We need 40. So keep going. 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 times 4 equals to 12. And 6 times 3 equals to 18. And what is 18 plus, what's 12 plus 18, everybody? It's 30. So not enough still. Good, Sophie, thank you. So 4 cars, man. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 times 4 wheels is 16. And 8 times 3 equals 24. And 16 plus 24 equals to 40. So yeah, that's right, Sherlock. You sort of somehow found a pattern. So we stop now because we found the answer, guys. So how many cars do we have? 4 cars. And how many tricycles do we have? 8 tricycles. Okay, so that's how you do this question, guys. So isn't it a lot easier when we're doing the multiples, guys? Because we know where to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a lot easier when we're doing a list of multiples. Okay, very good, guys. Now, this will be the last question, everybody. So you can start now. For this question, I'm gonna check your list, guys. So if you finish submitting your answer, please draw the list. You still have 2 minutes and a half. Okay, so that's the time. And interestingly enough, guys, the answer is actually B, guys. Okay, many people thought it was C, but it's actually B. So let's see the list from Alvin. Hello, Alvin. Oh, Alvin got disconnected. Okay, so that means, all right. So I remember I was gonna check Jeffrey list again. So let's see, Jeffrey, if you have promised, keep my promise. Okay. Yes, that's right. Let's have a look. So hold it right there, Jeffrey. Okay. So thanks, Jeffrey. You can put it down now. So now, where is your list? Okay, so we have goats and hens. How many legs do you think the chicken will have?
2,
Yeah, how many legs do you think the goat will have?
4,
Good. So we need to make a list like this, and I'll check yours in a moment. But we have 3 times more chickens than the goats. So that's why it should be goat times 3, which equals to the chicken. Right, Jeffrey? So, and in total we have 30 legs. So, okay, so now let's cut this in half. And we have 1 goat. How many chickens do we have?
3,
Good. So 1 times 4 legs equals to 4. And chicken is, if we have 3 chickens times 2 equals to 6, it will be 4 plus 6, which equals to 10. And if we have 2 goats, how many chickens do we have?
6,
6. So now 2 times 4 equals to 8. 6 times 2 equals to 12. 8 plus 12 equals to 20. And 3 goats means how many chickens?
9,
9. Good. So 3 times 4 equals to 12. And 9 times 2 equals to 18. So 12 plus 18 equals to 30. So we stop here because this is not the answer, that's not the answer, but this is the answer. So as you can see, how many goats, guys? 3. So that's why the answer is B. Well done, Jeffrey. And let me just quickly have a look at your list. So yes, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9. Goat means 4, 8, 12, 6, 12, 18. Perfect. This is perfect. Well done, Jeffrey. Thank you very much for the good list, and you kept my promise. Good job. All right. Thanks, Jeffrey. And guys, so for those of you who selected C, you've made a little bit of silly mistake somewhere. Okay. It's 30 legs in total, guys, not 20. Okay? All right. So to wrap up the lesson, guys, just remember, guys, we need to analyze. Oh, okay. That's right, Sophie. You need to analyze the given information. It's a good idea to start with a small number, and also you need to know what is small and what is big. Remember, son is younger than the father, and if A is bigger than B, you need to look at that very carefully. And also, guys, please analyze the given condition and make the table. And I think everybody will like the multiple table because it's easy to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go all the way up to the answer. So that's how you do this lesson. And guys, do we have any more students to show me your list? Yes, Catherine, thank you very much. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Well, all right then. I think that should be enough time, guys. Then thank you, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to do your homework, guys, okay? Well done, guys. Bye, everybody. Bye, Sophie. Bye-bye. Bye, Isaac.